The James Webb Space Telescope has been sending back images from space that honestly look fake. And I'm not exaggerating. When these first dropped, people thought NASA was using Photoshop because nothing we'd ever seen before looked this sharp, this colorful, or this insanely detailed. So today we're ranking the top 10 most jaw-dropping images Webb has captured since it went online. And trust me, by number 1, you're gonna understand why this telescope changed everything. Let's start at number 10 with the Cat's Paw Nebula from 2025. This thing looks exactly like what it sounds like. A massive cosmic paw print in space, glowing red and orange from all the newborn stars cooking inside. What makes this image so wild is that Webb can see through the thick dust clouds that used to hide these baby stars from us. Before Webb, we had no idea what was actually happening in there. Now, we can literally watch stars being born in real time, and it's beautiful in a chaotic, destructive kind of way. Number 9 is Pismis 24, also from 2025. This is a star cluster sitting inside the NGC 6357 nebula, and it's home to some of the most massive stars we've ever found. We're talking stars so big and so hot that they're ripping apart the gas clouds around them just by existing. The Webb image shows these beasts glowing bright blue, surrounded by swirling red and orange nebula material that looks like fire frozen in space. It's violent, it's gorgeous, and it reminds you that space is not calm. At number 8, we've got Wolf-Rayet Apep, a 2025 release that genuinely looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. This is a pair of dying stars wrapped in coiled shells of dust that spiral outward like a cosmic DNA strand. Webb revealed 4 of these shells for the first time, and scientists discovered there's actually a third star in the system carving holes through the dust as it orbits. The whole thing looks like a twisting serpent made of light, which is why it's named after Apep, the Egyptian chaos god. And yeah, it totally lives up to the name. Number 7 is the Ring Nebula from 2023, and if you've ever seen a space documentary, you've probably seen this nebula before. But not like this. Webb's infrared vision peeled back layers we couldn't see with Hubble and showed us intricate filaments and clumps of gas in the expanding shell, plus the dying white dwarf star sitting dead center. The resolution is so good that scientists can now measure structures as small as 150 astronomical units, which is insane. It went from pretty space donut to holy crap, look at all that detail. Number 6 is Rho Ophiuchi, released in 2023 to celebrate Webb's first anniversary. This is the closest star-forming region to Earth, only 390 light-years away, and Webb captured it in absolute chaos. You got red jets shooting out from baby stars, glowing caves of gas and dust, and dark clouds hiding even more stars waiting to ignite. It's supposed to be a quiet stellar nursery, but Webb's close-up makes it look like a cosmic war zone. And that's the thing about Webb. It shows us that even the calm parts of space are violently alive. Halfway through at number 5, we hit Stephan's Quintet from 2022. This is a group of 5 galaxies locked in a gravitational dance, and Webb's image is the largest mosaic it's ever produced, over 150 million pixels. You can see galaxies colliding, shock waves rippling through gas clouds, and supermassive black holes feeding in the centers of these galaxies. It's like watching a slow-motion car crash on a galactic scale. Except the crash has been happening for millions of years and we're just now getting front-row seats. Number 4 is the Southern Ring Nebula, one of Webb's first images from 2022. On the surface, it looks like a glowing bubble of gas around a dying star. But here's the twist. Webb revealed that there are actually 2 stars at the center, and the fainter one is the one responsible for creating this entire nebula. For decades, we thought it was just one star. Webb said nope, you missed one, and completely changed our understanding of how this thing formed. That's the kind of stuff this telescope does casually. We're getting close now. Number 3 is the Pillars of Creation, re-imaged by Webb in 2022. Hubble made this nebula famous back in the 90s, but Webb's version is on another level. The pillars are these towering columns of gas and dust where stars are forming, and Webb's infrared cameras cut through all the cosmic fog to show us stars we'd never seen before. The Hubble version looked like a hazy dream. Webb's version looks like you could reach out and touch it. It's sharper, it's deeper, and honestly, it kind of ruins Hubble's version because now we know what we were missing. Number 2 is the Carina Nebula, specifically the Cosmic Cliffs section, released in 2022. This image broke the internet when it dropped because it looks like mountains on an alien planet at sunset, except those aren't mountains, they're walls of gas and dust being carved away by radiation from newborn stars. Webb revealed entire star nurseries that were completely invisible before, and the detail is so sharp you can see individual jets shooting out from baby stars. It's one of those images where you just stare at it and think, we live in the same universe as that. And finally, at number 1, we've got Webb's first deep field from 2022. This is the image that started it all. Biden literally revealed this one at a press conference because it was that big of a deal. Webb pointed at a tiny patch of sky, the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length, and captured thousands of galaxies, some of them over 13 billion years old. This is the deepest, sharpest infrared image of the universe ever taken. We're looking at light that's been traveling for almost the entire age of the universe, and Webb just casually pulled it out of the darkness like it was nothing. This image isn't just beautiful, it's a time machine. And that's why it's number 1. So yeah, those are the top 10. If you want more breakdowns of what Webb's finding out there, you know what to do. See you next time. Please give us a like and subscribe.